My name is Rushan Gankar, and this is Newton's law of cooling. So it states that the rate of heat loss of a body is directly proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and the surrounding. And this is Newton's cooling apparatus. So we have use this container because outside there is so cool and it will get faster. The heat transfer is less, is more.
So this is a color sorter made of Lego pieces. Over here is a large motor, medium motor, color sensor and a touch sensor. So what it basically does, after putting all these color breaks in a line there, over here, it sorts them separately. The color sensor senses them and there's a program in there which I have programmed and it separates them accordingly. Like blue will fall here, green here, red here and then yellow here at last.
So what is your basic idea for the making of this?
Basic idea is like in industries how they separate various products. It works similarly like that.
Be a member and they can apply their they have to share their idea, and we people or the mentor here will transform it into a practicable way. Like we'll make it into a prototype, we will test it how the thing is being working, or maybe we were doing some modifications also. That's why I'm telling aspiring individual.
Okay.
So well, let us see anyone who is interested, because there is no age limit for innovative thinking, no?
Okay.
We'll see how many response, how it will be. Okay.
So membership is there for this?
Yeah, membership fee is 1,000 rupees per annum, and the best part of this is it is having some fund also, innovation hub fund. So we will be giving the raw material also to them. They're only going to pay the only membership fee.
I'm peeling off the Royo plant.
So what you do after that?
Then I will put it on a slide and then I will focus it on the microscope.
You can see the stomata on the leaf. Here one is put over here. You can see it.
Yeah, loud, huh?
A sonometer is a device based on the principle of resonance. So what is resonance? When the frequency of the force vibration is equal to the natural frequency of the body vibrates with a large amplitude. Amplitude means the magnitude of vibration. So a sonometer is a device to use. A sonometer is used to verify the laws of vibration of string and also to determine the frequency of the tuning forks. So first we have to make the tuning forks with a rubber hammer and keep it over here. It vibrates.
My name is Asim and I'm in charge of this project on comparing viscosity of liquids. So what is viscosity? Viscosity is basically in resistance when a fluid is flowing and release it. So the three balls will fall at the same time. So now the liquid which is the most viscous, the bearing will fall, the steel ball will fall the slowest in that. So let's see on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ambience is something which most people look up to, particularly if you give some example of, for example, Professor C.V. Raman, who won the Nobel Prize. The ambience that he came across is accidentally when he was traveling, he saw a board, Indian Association for Cultivation of Science in Calcutta. Till such time he should have been an accountant, but then just a look at the Indian Association of Cultivation of Science, he got down there, he went to the lab to find out what is there in that, rest is history, went on to win the Nobel Prize with just about 450 rupees costing equipment with which he won the Nobel Prize.
Innovation, it will be a huge economical growth for the country, but we never thought about all those things in our textbook study. Whenever we study, if you go to the school, you go to the college, you go to the practical rooms, you will be provided with a set of experiment. Just you put the current or voltage and see the current. When you are studying the Ohm's law, you don't know what is happening inside. You just increase the current or voltage one side, you read the current in one side, and the person or the student who is doing that, he never realizes what is happening inside.
Because we are producing only the graduates without having the knowledge of the subject, and that is really harmful for the country. And therefore, government has now decided that the entire system needs to be changed. One thing that we have realized that the teaching that we do is mostly exam oriented. We prepare the students only for the exams, and they do not get impact in this process. We failed in fact to make sure that the students get the knowledge of the subject. So now the UGC is making really efforts in this direction, and we want to make sure that the education is imparted, which is more value based and also the knowledge based.
First of all, congratulations for the Science Center for the inauguration of this hub. It is a wonder. I like it. Excellent. You are doing the good job. I won't speak much. I'll ask 2-3 questions for the students only, and then I'll wind up my speech. कितले जणांनी पळयलें रे? How many people had seen that? You are going now. I'm asking for you people. How many people have seen? Is it you like it? Rest all the people have not seen it. Not seen. पळोवंक रे? हाँ? पळोवंक ना? पळोवपाक आवडटलें? कितें आसा तें पळयतले भितर? पळयलें जाल्यार भायर सरतले काय ना? कितल्या जाणांक सायंटिस्ट जावपाक आवडटलें? कितल्या जाणांक सायंटिस्ट एक व्हेरी गुड स्टँड अप क्लॅप फॉर हर. अजून कोणाक आवडटलें सायंटिस्ट जावपाक? बस तुका आवडटलो मरे? उबो राव मरे, ते जाल्या उपरांत आवडटलो. व्हेरी गुड. आनी कोणाक? आनी कोणाक ना? तुम्ही भितर पळयल्या उपरांत तुमकां बऱ्योचश्यो गजाली दिसतल्यो की आमी कितें तरी करूं शकता. ओके, भितर सायन्स आसा, मेकॅनिक्स आसा, जेनेटिक्स आसा. आय थिंक कितें ना अशें ना. एवरीथिंग इज देयर. The chemistry is also there, biology is there, botany is there, genetics is there, mechanical is there, engineering is there, physics is there. Okay, each and every innovative things you can start thinking out of the box. बरेचशे फावटी आमी स्कुलान शिकता आसतना आमकां त्या एक्सपेरिमेंटाक हात लायलो जाल्यार टीचर तापयता, बरोबर काय न्ही? हांगा कोण तापोवपाचें ना. हांवें विचारलें तुमकां जाय तें करा म्हणटा, मोडल्यारूय जाता. मोडल्यार जाता, सारकें केल्यार जाता, कितेंय केल्यार जाता. बरोबर न्ही? स्कुलांतल्या लॅबांत आमी कित्याकूय हात लावंक गेल्यार तापयता न्ही? तापयता सगळ्यांक? हांगा तशी सिस्टीम ना. तुमच्यात जाय तें करूं येता, जाय तितको वेळ करूं येता. ओनली थिंग यू वॉन्ट टू बी द मेंबर ऑफ दीस क्लब, रायट? तुमी फक्त मेंबर जावपाक जाय.